This is going to be a video tutorial on how to mute a specific person on the Facebook Messenger app. I'll be using an iPhone for this, but the steps should be very similar on other devices. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I have my phone open now, and I am on the Messenger app. To mute a specific person on Facebook Messenger, what you need to do is tap on the person that you want to mute. You want to tap on their conversation. Then you will tap on their profile icon in the upper left-hand corner. Then you will scroll down to the very bottom where you see it says Notifications and Sound, and tap on that. And right in here, mute notifications. When this setting is on, you won't receive notifications or messages or calls. You just toggle this on. And then you can either select message notifications, call notifications, or messages and call notifications. I'm going to select messages and call notifications. Then it will ask you the duration of time that you want to set this for 15 minutes, for 1 hour, for 8 hours, for 24 hours, or until I change it. I'm going to select for 15 minutes. And now mute notifications is on for 15 minutes. That is how you mute a specific person on the Facebook Messenger app. Thanks for watching.